We got 19 votes. Logo is safe with 5 votes, and hashtag 3 is finally eliminated with 14 votes. Hi. Finally, you're here. You don't have to talk like that. I'm sorry, I thought it was cool. I can't believe it's already the final 2. Time surely does fly. Just like me, because I can fly. Actually, there's not gonna be a challenge today. I'm just gonna let people vote. Why? Shouldn't we just, like, fight for our chance to win the show? Because this is, like, a competition. I don't give a fuck about the show, honestly. So I don't care. So, yeah. Ripoff,